Welcome back to another video. So I'm here with, as I promised, another wear and go glueless wig, or at least this one was supposed to be that, but we'll get into that later on in the video. But I actually saved the box this time. I'm getting really good at not throwing them away and actually just showing you guys the packaging. So they have changed their packaging over the years. It used to be like pink, now they've went on to gold. So this is what it looks like. You guys already know, wig cap, lashes, elastic band, all that good stuff came inside the box. And then obviously this wig is from Alipearl Hair. So what do I want to start with? This is my second time filming this video. The first footage I was not okay with. I hated it, so I took like a week off from it, and then I revisited it so I can present it to you guys in a better light. But that primarily has to do with the wig company and this particular wig, not anything that I necessarily did wrong. So I already kind of pre-styled this wig already, but the curls have kind of dropped. So what I'm going to do is go in and just kind of touch them up. You guys have seen me do this thousands of times. Just take my curling iron, use it as a wand curler, wrap the hair around the barrel, and that's how I'm going to get these nice loose waves. So once I do that, then I'll come back. But like I said, this is supposed to be a glueless wig, but unlike the other ones that I've been getting, with this one I feel like I have to kind of still put something on it. So I'm just taking my even lace spray, a little bit on my finger, and I'm just going to just gently dab it on the hairline. Okay, so if you're wondering what possessed me to cut like a fringe in the front, I was trying to do like that curtain bang look, but I don't know, that's something I'm gonna have to keep practicing with. So I didn't ruin the wig, I just don't know if it's gonna give the desired look that I was going for. So I'm just gonna do the best that I can to just kind of play around with it. I need to fix this side, but this wig was originally 24 inches. This is a body wave 5x5 closure wig. This is not HD lace. It doesn't say there's HD lace, so we're just going to go ahead and say that it's not. I even looked on the description of the website again, and it doesn't indicate what kind of lace this is. It might just be, I don't know, medium brown or transparent lace. They didn't really specify that, so sorry that I don't have the clarification on that for you guys. So now let's get into all the claims, the specs, the details, the pros, the cons. So this wig is not necessarily affordable. It's $300. This is a, gotta remember, this is a 5x5. We don't know if it's HD lace closure wig, and 24 inches, 180% density. That is a little steep considering it's only 24 inches. Now, if it would have truly been customized like how they say that it was supposed to come customized, I could kind of see that cost being justified. So I mean, that's not a bad price point. I'm just letting you guys know that this isn't necessarily affordable. Now it says that it features pre-cut lace, a pre-plucked hairline, and that is pre-curl. Now here's the thing, when you pre-curl a wig and then you put it in the packaging and ship it to the customer, curls are going to get smashed. So essentially I wouldn't say that was, I don't want to say it is a waste, but it kind of was a waste of them to do that, because I had to go in and basically re-curl this hair anyway. Not to mention that I did have to go in and pluck the hairline some more, because their version of pre-plucked was like the slightest bit. It looks so much like a wig. I didn't like it, so that's why this is my second time filming this video a week later, just to see if I can do it some type of justice. So I did have to go in on top of what they pre-plucked and do some additional plucking. So basically the only claim out of the three that actually was true was the fact that the lace was pre-cut. Now with these glueless closure wigs, there's no combs to get snagged or anything like that, if I'm not mistaken. They do have an elastic band on the inside, and the cap is a little bit more breathable, more soft. So just to reiterate, I did go in and dye this wig jet black. I had to go in and bleach the knots and restyle it, wash it, all that good stuff. All that to say, this is not the best example or representation of a truly wear and go glueless type of wig. If you guys haven't been seeing like my last couple of uploads, those are the kind of wigs that we love. Those are the ones that are coming out the package looking flawless. little to no effort. They hold up great. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, I'll link them down below, because I wish this would have been along the lines of how those ones were. This would have made it more of a pleasant experience for me to have to go in and redo everything that said it was already supposed to be done to the wig. That was just a little extra time for me to do. So I feel like I had to definitely put in some work to this wig. What else? I do really like the hair texture. The hair is very soft and flowy, easy to run your fingers through, no snags, no tangles. The shedding with this hair is pretty decent. Really, the only thing that I'm finding just a little bit annoying with this wig is just like all the flyaway hairs that are constantly sticking out at the top. I went in with mousse, my wax stick, and they just seem to keep popping up here and there. It's not like terrible, but it is just like a little annoying to see like a bunch of, you know, short pieces sticking out at the top of your head. And then because I get 180% density wigs all the time, I do feel like this one is just cutting it close just by a little bit as far as being like true to density. This is all the hair put to the front, and I feel like it's just a little bit on the thinner side. Now I'm okay with that. I'm just letting you guys know that it's not as full as a typical 180% density wig should be. Now when I go to wear this hair straight, that'll work in my favor because it'll look a little bit more natural. But as far as like when there's curls in the hair, like you can literally tell that I only have like 6 curls in this entire hair. So that's why I have to keep like fluffing them out and spreading them out, just because it looks a little bit like less full when it's curls. So with all that being said, if I had to give this hair like a rating of like, let's say 1 to 5, I would probably give this wig a 3.5, just because it wasn't true to being what it says that it was. I had to go in and pretty much redo everything. The little flyaway hairs that stick out at the top, it's not terrible, but it's not my favorite. But it's not a bad wig, so I don't want to make it seem like it's just terrible. It just has some little things that I feel like could be better about it, but it's still, I really like the hair quality. That's what's making it like 3.5, maybe even a 4. I'll go ahead and bump it up to a 4, just for the hair quality alone. But if you do find yourself being interested in this wig or have already purchased it before and you want to share your experience, feel free to leave it down below in the comment section. Of course, as always, the link will be in my description box for you guys. If you guys have any questions, anything that I missed, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.